Your HVAC services are the best in the business, providing top-notch comfort and reliability to your customers. But how do you ensure that your online presence is just as impressive as the work you do? The answer lies in having a website that truly reflects the quality of your services. That's where SpringHive comes in. At SpringHive, we understand that your website is the face of your business online. It's the first thing that potential customers see, and it sets the tone for their entire experience with your company. Call us at 1-888-230-2372 or email hello@springhive.net to learn more. Let us help you reach more customers and grow your business with a website that's as impressive as your work.